IGC News, Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news and Enamide, Bremo, and Uti, so we don't subscribe. Now, what Modia say, over subscribe to a channel, what I answer over clicking a subscribe button. Now, what barely notification, we understand you video be uploaded. Also, what's a capi? I feel we are now like a video, give us a thumbs up, now, share my offer for us now. We may be here now. And someone also ewo Ghana memoir. I feel Yambura and someone abeto Yaposo. And Captain Smart with your TV morning show host, what they and Sammy Etuga, now Mensah, Yamumpino, na Yankuti, and someone Captain Smart Etuga. Yeti Captain in some walk on Yitino.
China Chikwotokao or G. Menamekatno says a document in the cabinet for privatization. Say Yamfa Kotoka International Airport, Emma and Krankre. China or ECG or GBC or Kotoka International Airport account. Now we say Yama want na baim. Sa Meya Kwasia, Sametua Bama NPP. Me tutia omkwano mo wini ya mekuma beto me yama chense metwa mo mombeluzu. But the tell say kwasea di wuso che no man tumi so nsan di wuso a wo so da ne kwasea mu kwasea se semre ya me no kase health insurance a NPP Akufo di animu e de ba ye no na do Bawumia time say no health insurance no na brabo etesei bacho etesei wo so ya na enkrofo bi ekeka se hunu hwe sa Legon University of Ghana Hospital na si hono Mahamadu see. And now we need 5,000 over deposit into hospital.
Hot news all time.
50 million. Me, I am a person me cano crane ya china upa fa jai. But I feel na maybe ba semana kasa never de ba so. Pensuo si unchen. Pedia blog them. Hwe. Enkrofo bi gu ba bi se. Ena kumewu, ena afari. And I then a hospital no Mahamadu and another baby. It's a lie. Yan a far card you could try videos to the buyer. And a deputy minister of defense, Honorable Amankwa. I think I remember be done. I forgot that when you the constituency we left in the Oba and Obeka Ghana for in answer. Yes, hospital the now 2022 March, ye baby. 2022 April yebie 2022 September yebie 2022 November yebie yambie 2023 wo mo she date sa na what Ashanti region wadwen you say obi anwie na obi na wie wa bra na equipment sese ye krabegu o memu ha mahama krabegu kroyim Akufo Addo ba ye mfie nwotwene yen hihye mfidie no ama mfidie na kase pro mema video who say ya dwen no enhyeda nya papa sa I mean what on my brain na yetimi aya na me homete because yemre so no nya sa na ye yo no yemre so no ye hu so man no esese ye de to factory reset ti ye yo no ye enne factories are ye see ye no Ghana for the year sorry. No man bend the was as is a converted factory. A church. Yay. Fair to Jane. Ministries, departments, and agencies. When you know Shabayasi. SSI a bind the Sikako. Now what me you are Jumana wo yon ye. Na ka wo. Yay. Insuo wo. Kania wo. Abai where the district assemblies MMDC is there to galamsey no wouldn't you tell this in to galamsey and then me say na huma mon kan che media general lawyers say so money ready me sure say suit them and be 300 this is na to galamsey no the entire want to galamsey ni na say statutory funds district assembly common fund necessary kono Secrét ni ho enti mfie mienu ni aban tua district assembly common fund. But I buy person real sika. No, see we could do 52 million. A big Ghana for. aban ne to was say betwa 155 million Ghana cedis. Wo de kwai dey e kwai no menye na mum portals na aba me kotitem. Hwe wo a etwika e wa abelempe sesa na ye frɛ no. My body ye abele pay whatever there's abele. Your building be or for fisherman's house. Sheho kakra no said the wesie tutu aye. It's 150 million na buy ni twa ye. So mo fa kwete takwam no ehon ka ho ana. Ehon ka ho mwa. O ma diska no ma chedi. Fa no to nchen. Say ya me no ka say ministry bie ni Ghana ha aban we baye Secrét say ye de ma won e ministry no ho bra aban yetimi atu awie da. Say ya me no ka say ya me no ka say economic management team kura o mo committee a o ma allowance kura no ba o me ntimi ntua. Oh, I can say, Captain Smart court, Mutisuma Pampaso.
He is smart. He is unique.
Oh, I'm trying.
Captain Smart.
Mogwai. Any idiot can go to court. And professor that cost court to gag the media. Not me.
Listen to the king.
Not me.
Of morning shows.
Fedotunche. Ministry of I can't say. If you can't say ministry, Ministry of Gender and Social Protection
Agency. It's an agency.
Sika krasa ministry no. Or the better person. Aman kwakrafone merwafo no mawu obi ni ho. Sika any top poison aman krofo no mawu okura ebi ni ho. Wa bra mo ye the new poison party. You be poison you say NPP with the grown ebe chance ye bi o me maka o pa fa pa jai omanya yetim je Akufo fa Brigadier General JB Dankwa as the CDS of the Republic of Ghana wenu ne hoda e ban say say before soro Major General Prempeh bra
Mensah mo ya de
then abusro e ba Prempeh bra a refined military officer. Oh, what Ghana wana kumem say obekuma man no etimi ehuri agyina ne naso yie e wo ye bambom e wo ya hye so say nkrofo soro no enti o ma sha say ewe ne ho na say last Thursday no be at Major General Prempeh me say me share video no pictures no wa ma no so boom or ne kotogo gwen say yen kokunu ye koye na duro konfo na amokọ no ho no me ne ba na kwa apam secondary school Moko Togo pe na maame no fo ye one pe
wani
se cancer na ma ye twa one o se o ye wo no fo no baako no wo no fo ye one Ghana ni bia pe ni bia Togo pe na maame na frɛ me ka kyerɛ o ye frɛ me tija ekɔ me wo list na ye kakra men hwe asofo ene Ghana asofo akase a mo na mo se mo ye asofo a ye de mo Togo no mo bebrebe no ho ada me release list me twɛn kakra
Ghana for
politicians am wo krom ha ya tam Afri Ghana ha dem Togo mu bebrebe no ada be release list no ye mbehyew ma me no so be frɛ Kwadwo aka kyerɛ no
wani
why say ya me no ka say munya yan kama pam Dampare
bibini
mo pa Dampare apam no
bibini
say Dampare cannot compromise. Why do you want a security officer to compromise? No, why do you want Dampare to compromise? Compromise for what? Adentra one Dampare amaya kwame anye de pese ye wokumamu.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
We are sure say nkrofo na wo stronghold no. They are richly ready to crown you. Why would you want to blame an IGP? It's Dampare is not willing to compromise. He is too nationalistic. Can you imagine this nonsense? Say Dampare or Johnny Ghana hondodo. Or you too nationalistic. So let's do him in. Say ya me no ka say meetings upon meetings to sack Dampare. Yes, say be man aye ambassador to Israel and a Czech Republic.
Onuya machi o ye tie Captain Smart oja.
Dampare aye den.
Onuya
Ese okuma wu amakwan. Saa so na ase north so wa makwan opa bibia pepe dodo adenti no man nipa bi ope o man yie no ye pese ye di nani
ye dwene mu wo
adenti no obia odwene o man yi ho no ye pese ye di nani etete ne se no pra no eti Dampare de wan pene kumawu ena wan pene ase north bi e kire hotum
onua machi o
emi agro ne esi ana agro na ye tie Dampare problem ba ko so say ejo so wa ma omo kwan anye de omo pe listen such people na yehia e wo manim say o man no be ko nanim a chain political party. This is what I crave for. Say ya me no ka say say ya pa me no ka say ama hidi bi wo ho a me modin. But your paramount chiefs Makumako 27. Sure. Oma shada up and professor Yamfa court. Sure. One benya judge so na rule say wonya mahene. Me too because one journey party bi ho. Sure. But one journey on my home. Sure. What kind of a country here? Wrong half of him for 9. Sure. Out of the 27.
Listen to the king of morning.
There are 9 paramount chiefs. Ewo bronga halfwa me sama halfo na den me ayame tan. Those regions were uselessly created by a useless brain.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
So me I see bronga halfwa as bronga halfo. Western region as western region. Sure. Voter region as voter region. Sure. I don't see any 16. Sure. I see 10.
Listen.
9 out of the 27. Bronga halfo region. You see I'm from court. And me and Sammy cry woman ya 7 letters me boy ya 7 suit no believe the abremo because I am for no one day they don't want to compromise. Now the car come mahine na mahine se menjia ya ni kwakot.
Listen to the king of morning.
Who mama Land Cruiser me say Land Cruiser mempe.
You are watching Juicy
Who
News
mama
on
Mercedes
YouTube.
Benz oh here
Hot news all
mahine say
time.
Mercedes Benz no mempe. I ready. Yay. Who mama Toyota Haze for the traditional council me say mempe. What's a one jinti? What I nti ye betu akonya so. Ma tume no. Aden.
Captain Smart, the
Look,
king of morning shows.
Ya di bibia koja nyame beye nyankopon beye kota wo sinche mu da.
Morning shows.
Empire Ben Duncan Williams moye isudanaba. Empire Ben no moye ajenasare. Miracle service Ben onye me papa ayi friend say amakwata me am chairman Eric Nyameche opoku ina makiomo apostolic phone assemblies of God for Empire Ben a young boy okrom ha free senior high school aduane aba
when is so
tie woma wani so hwe nyankopon a ese wo bobra wasase so Mimi nda mechi mewiase da wo de wo hia me adan wachi mewiase producer figure we a trillion and I said he na de abeto aburu 20 billion enti check ni ye
Listen to
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 train it's check ni ye kekambo mi ye.
He is smart.
He
is the best. Captain Smart is the king. Of morning shows.
Messiah for produce. You see, Sika by way, and you gold mu. Almost 90 billion US dollars. That me, if I were the president, like before. Sagana bebo besian kwasia besian bodie.
Captain Smart.
Believe you me.
King of morning shows.
Me yes sir, monte tell me mbom tuo nkumi. Me producer ese Lebanese bi hwehwe me. No Lebanese na frena sa otete no. Enra no send no normal mama. Odo ewu na no fair papa yi. I say I don't speak a tree. I don't understand the tree. But I have listened to you for a very, very, very long time. And then I had it for Ganas in my factory. Ganas, they teach me that things that you say, the things you say on the TV. And I sometimes someone I listen to you and they teach me what is up. So I can say we translate man. I ask myself that what is happening to Ghana. Because of you, I want to come to Ghana and come and see you. I just want to come to Ghana and see you. I was saying, go, Dunkwa. Go.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Sika we ina no kekamu bom e wo fie ho. Na se aban timi si factory ba ko pe eye Ghana dia. Enye daman na enye jimi, enye beye na anyanya na ye den a.
He is smart.
Hey, the whole what if they tell me your story way? Donald Trump openiama kese te se me mpeniama ketekete o. Enti me nya problem me nya na kese. Me nya sika, me nya na kese. Me nya nyonyam so me nya me mpa de ketwa of my life. Me peniama kese. Donald Trump say the whole United States of America
When
up $60 billion. And they re-engineer the infrastructure of the whole United States of America. Ghana nya $80 billion plus in gold. America per $60 billion. America per $60 billion. The whole America kakrakaye that way. And America san ye fe aye great biom. America $60 billion. Ghana nya close to $100 billion US dollars. Gold per. Ukro mu kwan ye aboa wo sori ase NPP. So Jimmy Free so kra mama ni so ndam ho. Close to 100 calculation ye nyame na ye o. Eda guguru efia wo kan say. Guguru
Onuya machi o. Ye tie captain.
It's Ghana for then a higher dream. What is wrong with us as people? If we can nipa if ya nipa buying 2 or more Ghana ha, we will do 2 million out of the 30 million people in this country.
Onuya machi.
It's what you fan say every year biano are buying $3 billion from gold sika on fanya salaries, remuneration, and $3 billion. Sika na beka do say. Ebeden the minister fee office of the special prosecutor or the 13 money counting machines. Affiliate the kind sika office of the special prosecutor or the makumako 13 ecosystems la da pa fee nyame na kan no na beka kire yen. Wo kan sika sa do hwene dum kuno ne sika no mo kan wi. Kwabrani baku fo fee. Yeah, the money counting machines akosi ho for 9 hours. Meka 19 na 9 hours. Wo kan sika sa machine e kan sika machine makumako dum yensa eka sika don hwene nkono a yentimi anka ya wie. Enti office of the special prosecutor statement on by they say and several undisclosed amounts of money.
Onuya machi o.
Me kasa mo se me. Hwe. Afia, what him say? Mo chief of staff in office or impress of $1 million per day. On spending.
Onuya
Chief of staff office. Yeah, Charlotte.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Ye captain.
But your chief of staff office, you very funu way. And I take funu hundro. Chief of staff office. Over $1 million US impress per day, every day. $1 million now. Spend it. It's a bosume back. Office of the chief of staff was spending $30 million. Omodi yede. Bisa ho say omodi yede. Presidency say Afriyie afeni ewo June we mo blow 3.9 billion. Ko check omodo one kasa document jam me document. Omodi 3.9 billion. Omodi yede. Bisa me say sika no omodi yede. Gyamfi no ntonche. Hwɛ sika aban atua for middlemen. Say monje di animu je di animu mikodi animu je mikodi animu je efia the last time I checked is almost 52 billion. Yet global finance minister na catch in parliament. Say your companies will come ha aban kobo besia omo percentage a omo je atwumboa. Ah ono ankasa ne company ka ho. Bawumia kan kire yen say you the gold for oil and anya sa na no gold for oil you the gold ne ko support oil na ebema petrol bo abafam patro say petrol bo abafam no transadwin jajimino na trans na dwin jajimino bra wanyini we the 47 jajimino opiai na wo ba bring shop a blade depend dey fa wotiri wo gro ho e betimi afa o minimum akum opiai transna drink obie ni why you kotokro no doba machine unity ya the blade enti a drink it we bi hu hia transna drink na jai jimi no when you 47 you see gold for oil ya the gold na ko support oil no na mom oil ne bo no kwa da e kosoro enti ya the gold ne ko ya na se ya mfa nko bibini au bibini ya nipa o bibini sasika we nyina chi no enra mi ridi adia sana omeya yetimi taxes na yetua ni nyina sana ni nyina aban de kosi awoa aban de VAT esi awoa or the health insurance levy akosi awoa or the get fund esi awoa or the cocoa esi awoa or the gold esi awoa or the diamond esi awoa or the timber esi awoa or the manganese esi awoa Ghana japade ye won nyina omo de esi awoa akwaji sika de awie otwai enti say the akan say e ba be fa fiata go akosi awoa wa China de wo she China ni an be ma so a opia ba ko pa be do nyame wa wo de nyina be ba botin pasasema na so kan change boy dear say Ghana ma kamo na yede mu kosi awoa e wo China sama kan tell achu kai me say China kia ne ke ye goro ho a obeji ECG any airport say ya me no ka say China and manage Ghana ECG catch am sembwa shwaya mabo say China buy so ojini sika it is a Ghana buy to Kanye ne mu dia na onya ne sika dia and you obey total take over China taking over ECG no amembo be ne yete wi me maintain na nato bisane no kan kire kumi preko I was the youngest and the youngest and the youngest and the youngest amongst them. Mensah. Suyani part 1, Suyani part 2. From Professor Edubuahin time. I've been with the New Patriotic Party. Me fancy you. Time Akufo Addo catch say Akufo ye rotten cassava, Akufo ye banche apro. What did you call Jomo ayento? I was at Sunyani. I was there. Small boy, little boy. Any rotten cassava, any maggot, the hinape. Also say unya yanke Akufo that ho. Moi.
Captain Smart.
Enya brofo ne du mobile.
Of morning shows.
Ne bumai. Yesi Akufo were 80 something ministers said those 125 moment to be mobile. Away. Nti sasika we na we. And I was him for Ntama Kura Nyefe. And here Ghana him for Shomontama. Akwawira sa. Misha ma hindu obebu hwante me fra padi na. Me say edan. Hwe say the crew na se agija aye. China chikotoka o oji. Me na me catch now. Say document in the cabinet for privatization. Say yemfa Kotoka International Airport ema ankrankre. China or ECG or GBC or Kotoka International Airport account. Now we say yema want na baim sa meye kwasia se meto abama NPP a me tutia om kwa no mo hene am koma beto me yama chen say meto ama on no mbeluzu but the tell say kwase di wo so che no man tumi so nsan di wo so a wo so da ne kwase mu kwase a.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Kwase di wo so che no man kwen so nkwaso ndi wo so a wo no di wo so wo da ne kwase mu kwase a.
Bang 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 bang.
Yo, Wiri and Sammy Captain Smart and the 2 Net TV morning show host. Wada and Sammy Brady, Abugo and Sammy Brady. So, without DCD so and our hero, so we don't subscribe here. Bobody I say, over subscribe to the channel. Since I had it latest and hot news in Kwana Namide promo. Afriyie, while I keep you give us a thumbs up. Nothing, share my offer for now. When you be here now, and Sammy Posu, I will go and Mohan. Also, let me share what in Afriyie and somewhere now. I will comment box interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.